A great good evening to all of you. This is Vikas before you and you're reaching Oxford English. Welcome in the present session. And before moving on in the session, I would like to say something about the session that it's all about spoken English. Means today I'm going to teach you how to speak English. As you know that there are several processes through which one can learn how to speak, but I'm here with the best process. I always suggest to people when they learn something, when they learn anything, they have to go through the best process. You know why? When you go through the best process, you have the long duration of the thing. Means you learn anything, the thing continues with you for a long time. As we know that we learn anything not for a short period of time, we learn anything for a long period of time. As far as spoken English is concerned, people say that it is a skill, and as we know about a skill, that a skill is a thing which is learnable and forgettable. But we do not wish to forget anything. Means we are going to learn the language not for forgetting that. We want to keep it for a long time. If you think that your learning should be with you for a long time, you have to be with me till the end. Because today I'm going to teach you a great lesson. Today I'm going to teach you some lines, and that will be for you forever. So that's why now, without wasting your precious time, I'd like to move. Welcome back in the present session, and before moving on in the session, I would like to say something about the session that it is a session based on activity. As you know that when you learn anything through the activity, it has a long life. Means you are going to keep it for a long time. And for today's activity, I have chosen the Taj Mahal. Means I am going to do some activities around the Taj Mahal and you will go to learn. But for learning, you have to be with me. One question may arise in your mind, why have I chosen the Taj Mahal? I want to tell you one thing here, that there is no purpose vision to choose it. It was chosen suddenly. But one thing you have to know, that what is the topic, it's not a big matter. The matter is that you have to learn something. Even I have done so many videos based on activities which are available. You can also see those videos, but this time without wasting your precious time, I would like to take you in activity area. So now just come in activity area. As we know that in the world there are several types of buildings. There are different buildings, and one of them is the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is considered one of the 7 wonders of the world, and it can be said in India it is the best building. People from all around the world come to see the Taj Mahal. Even Indians go to see it from far off the places, the Taj Mahal. We feel proud of it. And the Taj Mahal was got built by Shah Jahan in the memory of Mumtaz, his wife. As we know, Shah Jahan was a Mughal emperor. So when anybody dies, anybody lives, it's not a matter, but your work is remembered for a long time. So I would like to give you some more information regarding it, because here my purpose is to teach you English and nothing more. So I'm going to repeat so many lines together, so that I think you should get some practice of those lines, because you need practice for learning. If you go to get a lot of practice for learning, absolutely you are going to learn the language, otherwise not. So be ready to get practice. And I would like to say that if you would like to get real practice, you have to be with your notebooks and pens, because you will write those lines. Those lines will be very beneficial to you if you go to practice those lines. Now you are in your activity area, and you can see the Taj Mahal on the screen. As you know that I am going to teach you something through the Taj Mahal. And as far as today's activity is concerned, I want to tell you that at first you have to start introducing the thing which is on the screen. If you have to introduce it, you have to say the first line. The question arises in your mind, what will be the first line? And the first line will be, this is the Taj Mahal. One thing you must remember, when you introduce anything, you have to start your line through this. Means you can say here, this is the Taj Mahal. This is the Taj Mahal. And this is the first line. You can add some lines here, and you can talk about the place where it is situated. And so as a second line, you can add here that this is the Taj Mahal. It is in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. This is the Taj Mahal. It is in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. You can enhance your speaking capacity by adding these simple lines. Now I would like to comment on another statement, and another statement can be here. You can speak here that it was got built. What I am speaking here, you have to concentrate on that. It was got built. It was got built in 1632. It was got built in 1632 by Shah Jahan. It was got built in 1632 by Shah Jahan. Here I have given you 3 lines. You have to speak those 3 lines together to make your tongue practice much and much, because practice is the most important thing if you want to learn any language. So I am going to speak all these 3 lines together. You should listen it carefully. This is the Taj Mahal. It is in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It was got built in 1632 by Shah Jahan. How have I completed these 3 lines? You have to also complete these 3 lines. Now it's time to move ahead. You can see a picture on the screen, and the picture is of Shah Jahan. One thing is clear to everybody, when we talk about the Taj Mahal, absolutely we have to talk about Shah Jahan. So before moving on, I would like to say some lines about Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was a Mughal emperor. Shah Jahan was a Mughal emperor, and he got the Taj Mahal built in the memory of his wife named Mumtaz. So now I would like to say something about Mumtaz. On the screen you can see a picture, and the picture is of Mumtaz. As we know, Mumtaz was the wife of Shah Jahan. She was a beautiful woman, but unfortunately she died very early. Shah Jahan used to love her much. So after her death, Shah Jahan thought to make something in the memory of Mumtaz, and as a result of that, today we have Taj Mahal. Means we can say that we have the Taj Mahal in the memory of Mumtaz, which was got built by Shah Jahan, Mughal Emperor. Today in this session I have spoken so many lines, but I think it's time to read all the lines together, because when I will go to read all the lines together, do you know what will happen? You will go to get a lot of practice, and when you will go to get a lot of practice, absolutely you are going to learn something here. So if you want to learn something, you have to be with me now in this present sector of this session. So be ready, because I am going to speak those lines together. You have to see on the screen, because those lines will be printed on the screen. This is the Taj Mahal. It is in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It was got built in 1632 by Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was a Mughal emperor. He got it built in the memory of Mumtaz, who was his wife. The emperor loved her much, so when she died, the emperor got the Taj Mahal built in her memory. The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is taken as a symbol of love. I think you have heard these lines well, perhaps you have listened to these lines well. I hope only that you must go to practice these lines, because when you go to practice these lines, absolutely you are going to get a good practice of English, and only practice will make you perfect. If you really want to learn the language, you have to be ready to get a lot of practice. You must remember one thing, that without practice you are not going to learn the language. If you want to develop your communication skills, you have to go through a hard practice, because practice is the thing which will make you expert. There are several people, they want to learn the language, but they are not ready to do the practice. But I think you should be ready, because there are several people, they die without learning the language. Especially here I am talking about language English. There are so many languages. We must love our mother tongue. We must learn our mother tongue. But here in this video, I am talking about language. The language is English. So if you think that you should be expert in English, be ready to a lot of practice. And for make you practice, I am always with you. So if you think that your English should be good, you have to watch my videos and you have to be with me. If you are going to be with me, absolutely you are going to learn the language. So keep watching my videos, and for that I will